Dear students, good morning. Uh, Today I'm going to continue with yesterday's topic, that is commercial communication skills. And in other words, it is also called using English at different places or in different places. So yesterday we or we discussed how to use English when we go to a bank. Today, we are going to continue with the other public places and the language or the vocabulary which we come across when we go to these places. So, uh, we have a new place today that is called railway station. That is how to use English when you go or when you visit a railway station. Generally, we go to a railway station to travel by train. So, from one place to another. But when we go to this place, we are supposed to follow certain instructions. We are supposed to understand certain announcements. There are certain words which we use in the railway station. For example, to buy a ticket, you have to go to the counter. When you enter the train, you have to ask the TC for the exact place. If you have a reserved ticket, you have to find out the bogie number, compartment. So these kind of words we come across when you go to railway station. And here on the slide, I have listed a few words which you can see. And it is better you remember all these words because some of the students belonging to Etunagaram and nearby places, they might not have visited a railway station. And some students told me that they did not see a train literally or physically. They saw in books, in paper, on the TV channel, but they did not see it physically. So these kind of students are there, and they don't travel much from their residence or from their living place. And for such kind of students, and also for the other students too, so this vocabulary is important. So what kind of words do we use when you go to railway station? I collected some words, and these are common words which we use whenever we go to railway station. Number one is platform, coolie, train fare, reservation, cancellation, confirm, waiting list, single ticket, round ticket, compartment, derailment. So these are the words which we generally use. And what is the first one? The first one is a platform. So what do you mean by a platform? Generally, platform means a stage-like thing. Okay. And but you go to a bus station or a railway station, you find a particular place where the bus comes and stops there. And you will be given some numbers, platform number one, platform number two. So in the bus stand, since you have number of buses, you will have number of platforms. But in a railway station, the number of platforms is less. You have few platforms. Only in big junctions, like if you go to Vijayawada, if you go to Secunderabad, or if you go to Mumbai or Chennai, there you find a number of platforms because they are big stations. So a platform is a place where the passengers wait for the train to come. The train comes and stops beside the platform. Platform number one, platform number two. So they will be making announcements. In the railway station, you find people making announcements about the arrival of the train and also departure of the train. Arrival means the train comes. Departure means the train goes away. But it comes and stops at a particular platform. And the passengers enter the train and some of the passengers get down the train. So that is called platform. And who is a coolie? So this is an Indian word which we use in English. Is a person who helps the passengers in carrying the luggage or transporting the luggage. So they are a kind of labor working in the railway station. They generally wear a red color shirt and with a number. So they are called coolies, coolie. Train fare. What do you mean by train fare? Train fare, bus fare, airfare. So whenever you travel by train, you are supposed to buy a ticket. And for the ticket, you will pay some amount or money. That is called a train fare. Reservation. Reservation means so you are going to say Delhi on day after tomorrow or after 1 week. But to travel to Delhi, you cannot travel by ordinary compartment. You need a reservation. Reservation means it's a compartment where you find seats to be used in the morning and where you find berth to be used for sleeping in the night. So those kind of compartments are called reserved compartments. So you have to book your ticket. Reservation means book. If you travel, it's okay. If you don't travel, you can cancel. So that is cancellation. Reservation, cancellation. Reservation means booking a ticket if you are traveling. Cancellation means you cancel your ticket. You will get some amount back if you don't travel because of some reasons. And next one is a confirm. So when you reserve a ticket, if the tickets are available, you will get the reservation directly. Sometimes they will allot the tickets at a later stage. Therefore, you will see whether your ticket is confirmed or not. అంటే మనము రిజర్వేషన్ చేసుకున్న టికెట్ ఖరారైందా లేదా, మనకు సీట్ లభించిందా లేదా, దాన్ని ఏమంటాము కన్ఫర్మ్. Sometimes you will be put in waiting list when more number of passengers travel, when the seats are not so easily available, and the railway people will wait till the last moment because some people will cancel their tickets. So based on this cancellation, they will prepare the list. Sometimes you may not get the ticket confirmed. Therefore, you have to wait. And that kind of list is called a waiting list. And single ticket. Single ticket means generally when you reserve your ticket, you take a round ticket, to and fro ticket. That is, next week you're traveling and the other week you are about to come back. So you book your onward journey, you also book your downward journey. So that is called to and fro ticket. But you are not sure when you are going to come back. Therefore, you take only one ticket, one way ticket. That is called a single ticket. And round ticket means it covers the entire journey of or entire travel. So you are going to some place, you will go to some other place, also you come back. That is called a round ticket. So these tickets are generally or issued to round tickets are issued to students whenever they go for a visit, whenever they go on a science exhibition tour, on a science tour. So they travel number of places or an academic tour. So that is called a round ticket. Okay. Next is I told you what a compartment is. Compartment means a box or a section of a train. You have number of compartments, 20 compartments, 22 compartments, depending on the distance the train covers. You have number of compartments. Double petal rail petal compartment. And next one is derailment. Derailment means sometimes you find in the newspapers that trains are cancelled in a particular area. Trains going to Vijayawada are delayed by 3 hours. What is the problem? Something happened on the railway track. So the train went off or the train kept away or came away from the tracks. The train will run on the track. What happened suddenly? The engine and other compartments or bogies, they came out of the track. That is called a derailment. Derailment అంటే ఏంటి తెలుగులో పట్టాలు తప్పడము. So these are the general words which you are supposed to know, because when we discuss about trains and all these things, if you do not know the words or vocabulary, you will not or you may not understand the conversation. And these things are general words we use in our daily life whenever we travel to different places. And I told you, there are some other words, and these are all general words. You go to a station, you find all these words. Announcement. Announcement means so before the train comes or before the train leaves, announcement will be made. Announcement అంటే ఏంటి ప్రకటన ప్రకటన చేస్తారు. ఎవరైతే పలాని ఊరికి వెళ్తున్నారో వాళ్ళ కోసం ఒక ట్రైన్ ఉన్నది. ఆ ట్రైన్ 2 నిమిషాల్లో కదలబోతున్నది. లేదా ఏ ట్రైన్ కోసం అయితే వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారో ఆ ట్రైన్ పలాని ప్లాట్ఫామ్ మీద రాబోతున్నది. అందరూ కూడా ఆ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ మీద రెడీగా ఉండండి. దట్ ఈస్ అనౌన్స్మెంట్. సో అనౌన్స్మెంట్ విల్ బి మేడ్ ఫర్ ది అరైవల్ అండ్ ఆల్సో ఫర్ ది డిపార్చర్. అరైవల్ అంటే రాకడ, డిపార్చర్ అంటే పోకడ. Those two words, arrival, departure. Next one is guard. Who is a guard? For every train, there will be a guard. And what is the role of this guard? The role of the guard is to give signal to the driver. So when the announcement is made, when the time is over, the guard waves a flag, a green flag to start and a red flag to stop. Nowadays we find lights also during night time, green light, red light. So the guard will be in the last compartment, and from there he will be supervising. Driver will be there and guard will be there. So unless the guard waves his flag, the driver will not move the train forward or the train will not go forward. Next one is level crossing. So it is also a word which we use in railway terms. What is level crossing? So when the train is traveling on a particular platform, on a particular track, now when it is about to reach a station, the train has to come to a platform, whether it will be platform 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, depending on the number of platforms. But to come to that platform, the train will change the track. ఒక ట్రాక్లో ఉన్నది ఇంకో ట్రాక్లోకి వెళ్ళాలి. వెళ్ళాలన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? అక్కడ పట్టాలు కలుస్తాయి. ఆ కలిసే ప్రాంతాన్ని ఏమంటాము? లెవెల్ క్రాసింగ్. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ ఈజ్ రైల్వే లైన్. Railway line means, every train has to run on a track, on a line. That line is called a railway line, like bus route, railway line. Restaurant car, restaurant car. What is a restaurant? A restaurant is a place where you can have a cup of tea and snacks and chat for some time. So these restaurants you find outside, but even in trains you can find a restaurant. That is, there will be a separate compartment, 1 or 2 compartments. So that is called restaurant car. So these restaurant cars are attached to passenger trains which travel long distances. ఎవరు ప్రయాణం చేసే ట్రైన్స్ ఉంటాయో, సూపర్ ఫాస్ట్ ట్రైన్స్ ఉంటాయో, వాటికి you can find this restaurant car. It's like a canteen. And what is next one? Tunnel. So the train is now going through a tunnel. Be careful. Close your windows, close your doors. There is a problem of dacoits entering the train. There is a problem of stones being thrown into the compartments. So they will make an announcement and they will put all the lights on. So tunnel అంటే ఏంటి? సొరంగము. ఎక్కడైతే కొండలు ఉంటాయో కొండల మధ్యలో నుంచి, కొండల కింది నుంచి ఒక రంధ్రాన్ని చేసి ప్రయాణానికి వెసులుబాటుగా చేస్తారు. ఆ రంధ్రాన్ని ఏమంటాం? సొరంగం. సొరంగం గుండా ట్రైన్ వెళ్తారు. అట్లా మనం వెనెవర్ వి ట్రావెల్ టు ఢిల్లీ ఆర్ ముంబై, దట్ ఈస్ బాంబే, వి కమ్ అక్రాస్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ టనల్స్. ఎక్కడైతే పర్వత ప్రాంతాల నుంచి పోతూ ఉంటామో దేర్ ద ట్రైన్ హ్యాస్ టు గో త్రూ టనల్. టనల్ మీన్స్ a big hole made for the convenience of traveling. Next is underground station. Sometimes you find a station under the ground. జనరల్గా స్టేషన్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటాయి? పైన ఉంటాయి, కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటాయి. కానీ కొన్ని ప్రాంతాల్లో పోతే పైన ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ఉంటుంది, అందరు తిరుగుతూ ఉంటారు, కానీ ట్రైన్ కింద వస్తారు. సో దే ఆర్ కాల్డ్ అండర్ గ్రౌండ్ స్టేషన్స్. భూమి కింద ఉన్న స్టేషన్స్. అవి కొన్ని కారణాల చేత ఆ యొక్క ప్రాంతం యొక్క conditions batti they make such kind of stations. If you go to Coimbatore while traveling to Ooty, You find such kind of stations. Next is a cloak room. What is a cloak room? So whenever you go to a station and you are waiting for the connecting train, that is, you have to go to some other place. But it may take some time for the train to come. You have some time in between, that is 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, sometimes 12 hours, depending on the link where the train is late. So what to do? You want to go and see some places in the city, but you have a lot of luggage with you. You cannot carry the luggage with you. So to put your luggage under safety or under custody, you have a room in the station. That room is called cloak room. Okay, just like the strong room in the bank, where we keep our valuable things in the locker. In the same way, you have a cloak room in the railway station or in the bus station where you can put your luggage under custody. So they will give you some almara like thing or a shelf. You can put your luggage there. They will give you a token and you have to keep the token with you. And once you come back, you can collect your luggage. Next is waiting room. So for luggage, you have a cloak room. For passengers, there is a room called a waiting room. So depending on the level of your ticket, depending on the class, that is second class ticket or AC ticket or third AC. So like that, you will have separate waiting rooms. So there you can for some time take rest when the train comes late or when there is some gap. You can sleep for some time. You can take rest. You have attached toilets and to refresh yourself. So those kind of rooms are called Visranti Gadulu waiting room. Next is a seat number. So to travel, you need a seat. If there is no reservation, you can directly board the train and you can find a seat. But if it is to be reserved, if it has to be reserved, you have to reserve a seat. Seat is meant for sitting. And every seat has got a number that is called a seat number. So once you reserve a seat, you have to sit in that particular seat. You cannot go and sit in some other number because that belongs to some other. If it is empty, it's okay. Otherwise, you cannot sit there. The next one is luggage rack. So this luggage rack you can find in the waiting room, in the cloak room, in the waiting room, and also in the compartment. So you can put your luggage up. That is called luggage rack. సామాన్లు ఉంటాయి పెద్దవి ఉన్నాయనుకోండి అవి పైన పెట్టుకోవచ్చు ఆ పెట్టుకునే దాన్ని ఏమంటాము బర్డ్స్ లాగా ఉంటాయి లగేజ్ ర్యాక్స్ లాగా ఉంటాయి ఆర్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ లగేజ్ ర్యాక్స్ యూ కెన్ ఫైండ్ ఇన్ ద క్లోక్ రూమ్ ఎక్కడైతే మనం సామాన్లు పెట్టి బయటకు వెళ్తాము వీ కెన్ ఫైండ్ దేర్ and these are the other words related to railway station or trains first class second class so you can book your ticket in first class you can book your ticket in second class so first class means there you have special facilities you have AC seats will be different the serving of food also will be different so generally rich people they travel and officers they travel by first class. Second class, okay, even in this class also you find good people, employees, or rich people sometimes. So in the second class, sometimes you may have AC or sometimes you may not, non-AC. There you will have to share common seats. You will not have separate seats. Even in the first class also, you will have common seats, but the seats and other facilities will be somewhat advanced. Okay. Second class. Generally, uh, middle class people they travel by this compartment, second class. Ticket inspector, ticket collector. That is, ticket collector means TC. Ticket inspector means someone who comes and checks whether you have it or not. So, who is a ticket collector? Like a bus conductor, you have a ticket collector in the train. So once you board the train, the collector will come to you and he will ask you to show the ticket and he will note down in the paper. If you have a reserved ticket, he will put it right. That is, you have entered the train and you're traveling. So he is a regular employee in the train. Sometimes for every week, for a week or after 2 weeks, like that, in a month, 2 or 3 times in a month, a team will come to find out whether the ticket collector is doing his duty properly and whether the passengers are traveling with the tickets. So those people are called ticket inspectors. And if they find that the passenger is traveling without a ticket, they will charge him. They will put penalty. అతనికి కొంత జరిమానా వేస్తారు. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ పెనాల్టీ. సో ఆ జరిమానాతో కట్టే డబ్బుని ఏమంటాం ఇంగ్లీష్లో? పెనాల్టీ ఫేర్. సో they will put a penalty and that amount is called penalty fare. And sometimes you find thieves on the train or on the platform. So we'll be looking out at the station, or we'll be waiting for your friend to come, or somebody has got down to bring some snacks, tea and water. So we'll be waiting for them, looking out. At that time, suddenly there will be thieves on the platform in the stations. Sometimes they enter the compartment. What they do, they pull your ornaments, they snatch your rings, they snatch your braid, they snatch your purse. So అట్లా దొంగతనం చేసే వాళ్ళని ఏమంటాం ఇంగ్లీష్లో? స్నాచర్స్ అంటాం. ఓకే. అండ్ హియర్ ఐ యూజ్ ద వర్డ్ చైన్ స్నాచర్స్. దట్ ఈస్ బంగారు గొలుసులు మనం వేసిన మెడలో ఉన్న గొలుసుల్ని లాక్కొని పోయే వాళ్ళని ఏమంటాం? స్నాచర్స్, చైన్ స్నాచర్స్. Next, you find some phrases. So phrases means a group of words. To catch a train, to get on the train, to get off the train, to miss a train. So generally we use these phrases whenever we travel. So why you are going so fast? So I'm going so fast because I have to catch a train. Now I have to catch a train. Catch a train means I have to travel by the train. నేను ఎట్లన్నా చేసి స్టేషన్కి వెళ్ళాలి, ఆ ట్రైన్లో ప్రయాణం చేయాలి. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ టు క్యాచ్ ఎ ట్రైన్. ట్రైన్ అందుకోవడం అంటే ట్రైన్ను చేరడం. టు గెట్ ఆన్ ద ట్రైన్, వన్స్ యూ గో టు ద స్టేషన్, వాట్ విల్ యూ డూ? యూ విల్ ట్రై టు ఎంటర్ ద ట్రైన్. టు గెట్ ఆన్ ద ట్రైన్. ట్రైన్ కదులుతూ ఉన్నది, చాలా మంది ఉన్నారు, కానీ ప్రయాణం చేయాలి. ఏం చేయాలి? ఏదో విధంగా ట్రైన్ ఎక్కాలి. సో దాన్ని ఏమంటాము? టు గెట్ ఆన్ ద ట్రైన్. స్టేషన్ వచ్చింది, ఏం చేయాలి? టు గెట్ ఆఫ్ ద ట్రైన్, దిగడం. టు మిస్ ఎ ట్రైన్. టు మిస్ మీన్స్ యూ వెంట్ టు ద స్టేషన్ బట్ యు ఆర్ unable to catch the train or get on the train. That is called to miss a train. Train miss చేసుకోవడం. Next, the word is a platform. So I told you what a platform is. A platform is a place where passengers wait for the train to come. So here this is called a platform. And that is also a platform. So a platform on both sides. Okay. So passengers are waiting on the platform. So what sentences you find here? Satavahana Superfast Express will arrive on platform number 1. So you will hear an announcement. That is, I told you, before the train comes, before the train goes, there you find announcements. So from the announcement room, you can listen to the announcement. There are some people who are meant for it. Bus stand lo gaani, airport lo gaani, railway station lo gaani, ఈ యొక్క ఈ ట్రైన్స్ యొక్క కదలిక గురించి, బస్ల కదలిక గురించి, ట్రైన్స్ కదలిక గురించి చెప్పేవాళ్ళు ఉంటారు. దే ఆర్ కాల్డ్ అనౌన్సర్స్. So they will announce. So here you find an announcement about which train? Satavahana. What kind of train is it? Super fast express. It is not a passenger. It is not an ordinary train. It is not a metro train. It is a super fast express. Super fast means it runs fast. It goes fast, above 100 kilometers, between 100 and 150 kilometers. It stops only at a few stations. So that kind of train is called super fast express. So it is coming at now to the station. So will arrive on platform number 1. So passengers are waiting for the train. So you have to wait on which platform? Platform number 1. And the train will depart in 2 minutes. It is a super fast express. Super fast express only wait for few minutes in the station. Ordinary trains, they wait for long time, but super fast express, They wait only for some time. So it will depart in 2 minutes. It comes now. That is, it will be on the platform only for 2 minutes and then it leaves. Next. So what do you find here? You went to the station and you have to travel by a certain train. And to travel by train, what do you need? You need a ticket. So if you're traveling less distance for 1 hour or 2 hours, you can travel by an ordinary ticket because you can find a seat or you can stand for some time. But you are traveling for long distance, more than 5 hours a journey, so you need a seat. And for that, you have to book your ticket or reserve your ticket. To reserve your ticket, there will be a counter in the station. I told you yesterday what a counter is. Counter means a lobby, a place where you can get a transaction, where you can deposit your money, where you can get your passbook updated, where you can get some details. That place is called a counter. So in the same way, in the railway station, you have a counter where you can reserve your ticket. So could you please guide me to the reservation counter? You are new to the station and you ask somebody there. There will be a desk. అక్కడ హెల్ప్ చేసే వాళ్ళు ఒక సెక్షన్ ఉంటుంది వాళ్ళ దగ్గరకు వెళ్తారు సార్ వేర్ కెన్ ఐ గెట్ మై టికెట్ రిజర్వ్డ్ ఆర్ వేర్ కెన్ ఐ గెట్ ఎ రిజర్వేషన్ టికెట్ సో కెన్ యూ టెల్ మీ హౌ టు గో టు ద రిజర్వేషన్ కౌంటర్ దట్ ఈస్ కుడ్ యూ ప్లీజ్ గైడ్ మీ టు ద రిజర్వేషన్ కౌంటర్ దయచేసి రిజర్వేషన్ కౌంటర్ ఎక్కడుందో నాకు చెప్పగలవా నెక్స్ట్ మే ఐ నో ద ఫేర్ టు చెన్నై సో యూ గో టు ది రిజర్వేషన్ కౌంటర్ and you find the reservation clerk. So he or she is there, you find here. And then you will ask because you are going to travel to Madras and you should know how much you have to pay for the ticket. So what statement will you use? May I know the fare to Chennai? చెన్నై వెళ్ళడానికి ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఎంత ఖర్చు అవుతుంది చెన్నైకి టికెట్ కొనుక్కోవాలంటే ఎంత డబ్బులు కట్టాలి ధర ఎంత టికెట్ ధర ఎంత So you will ask. Next, what will you ask? Is reservation available, please? We're going to Chennai. That is, you have to travel almost 12 hours. And you need to sit, you need to sleep. Therefore, you ask for reservation. మరి రిజర్వేషన్ ఉందా టికెట్ బాగానే ఉంది కానీ టికెట్ రిజర్వ్ చేసుకోవచ్చా యూ హ్యావ్ టు వెయిట్ ఫర్ కన్ఫర్మేషన్ సో వాట్ డస్ ది railway employees say or what does the counter clerk say you have to wait confirmation that is I will give you ticket but your reservation will be confirmed after 3 hours or 4 hours or after a day so you have to wait for confirmation అంటే ఏంటి మనకు రిజర్వేషన్ ఖరారు కావడము then only you can travel otherwise you have to travel on your own risk. You have to wait for somebody to cancel the ticket, or sometimes you may cancel your own ticket. So these are the words which you come across, okay, like reservation counter, fare, confirmation, all these things. Next is, so you want to buy a ticket, and the counter clerk asks what kind of ticket you want. You want to go only to Chennai or you want to come back. So you say, I want a single ticket to Pune. I am going to Pune, but I want only single ticket. That is, I will come later. I don't want return ticket. I only want a one-way ticket. That is called a single ticket. But here, I want a round ticket to Goa. I want a round ticket. Round means I will go to Goa. From there, I will go to Bombay. From there, I will go to some other place and I will come back to Warangal or Kazipur. So that is called a round ticket. Next, tell me the position of Rajdhani Express, please. So here you find a train. It's like a Rajdhani Express. And what is it? It's like Goa. So he's waiting for Rajdhani Express. He has to travel to Mumbai or Bangalore or Chennai or Delhi. So he's waiting for the Rajdhani Express. But there is some delay. the train will come late because of some problem. So therefore, you will go to the counter and to find out the position of Rajdhani Express. Position means where is this train now? Did the train start the destination from the starting point? So train ఎక్కడ మొదలవుతుందో దాని ఏమంటాం స్టార్టింగ్ పాయింట్. ట్రైన్ ఎక్కడికి అయితే చివరికి వెళ్తుందో దాని ఏమంటాము డెస్టినేషన్. సో ట్రైన్ స్టార్ట్ అయిందా, స్టార్ట్ అయితే ఎక్కడ ఉంది, ఈ స్టేషన్ కి ఎప్పుడు రాబోతున్నది. సో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ పొజిషన్ ఆఫ్ ద ట్రైన్. నెక్స్ట్, you want to travel by KK Express. KK means Kerala Karnataka Express. So you have to travel long distance. To travel long distance, you want a restaurant car on the train because you will have some tea, you will have some snacks. Sometimes you order your food, you may not be carrying food with you. So therefore, you want to confirm whether this train has a restaurant car because it is only express. It is not a super fast express. Super fast express generally have the canteens. They serve food. They take the amount in your own, the ticket only, sometimes in advance. Sometimes you can pay on the train. So you want to, the passenger wants to confirm whether the train has a restaurant car or not. So what is a restaurant car? Just now I told you, it's like a canteen where food is prepared and supplied to the passengers on payment. Next, way to cloakroom, please. So you went to the station. You want to move out or you want to visit somebody. You want to go to a place, but you have a lot of luggage. So you need to put that luggage in a room. That room is called a cloakroom. So you're asking the person sitting there. So there will be a man sitting at the entrance of the cloakroom. So this man will be noting down the details of the passengers. So you will ask him, cloakroom ki velle daredi. Okay, way to cloakroom, please. Next, now the train will travel through underground tunnel. So here you find a train and the platform, and after some time, the train will travel through an underground tunnel. That's why this is a tunnel. It is a mountain or a hill, and from the under the hill, from the bottom of the hill, the train travels. So this area is called a tunnel. Kolkata has an underground metro railway station. So here we have two words, underground and a tunnel. So this is a tunnel. And what is the station? Underground railway station. So where is the station? The station is not above the ground. The station is below the ground. So you will find some steps and you have to get down the steps and go underground. కింది నుంచి వెళ్ళే trains ఉంటాయి, underground trains. Next, on the way to Delhi, the train passes through many tunnels. So when you go to Delhi and between Gwalior or Bhopal and Agra, the train travels through number of tunnels because we find a number of hills, mountains, and the train will pass through the mountains. How? Through the tunnels. Tunnel ante em cheppanu sorangamu. Next, where is the ticket collector? So you enter the train and you want some reservation because you did not get reservation at the counter, or you want to confirm your seat. You want to find out where your seat is. Whom you are going to contact? You have to contact a person, and that employee is called a ticket collector. Why? I have to locate my seat. Who can help you to find out where your seat is? Your ticket collector. He on the compartment next to S1 coach. Go through the rail chart. Okay. He is in the compartment next to S1 coach. So where is the ticket collector? The ticket collector is in the next compartment. Which compartment? The compartment next to S1 coach. So compartments are given some numbers, names, S1, S2, up to S12, depending on the number of compartments. Or sometimes go through the rail chart. If you are unable to find the ticket collector, you can find the rail chart pasted on the train. So you can find out where your seat is, whether your ticket is confirmed or not. Okay, these things you can. So what kind of words? Ticket collector, seat, compartment, coach, rail chart. So these are the kind of words. And if you travel without a ticket, I told you, you will be penalized. The ticket collector will put some penalty on you. So here he is writing, so he's checking the ticket. And here police, railway police. So they are talking to the passengers, and these passengers are traveling without a ticket. So what is the penalty? Pay 600 for a ticketless traveling. If you travel without a ticket, what is the actual fare? Ticket fare is only 10 rupees or 20 rupees or 60 or 100. But now you have to pay 600. It is a penalty. And you have to undergo 1 year jail imprisonment. So first is you have to pay some amount. And the next is you will be sent to jail. For how many days? For 365 days. Undergo 1 year jail imprisonment. ఒక సంవత్సరము జైలు శిక్ష అనుభవించాలి. 600 పెనాల్టీ చెల్లించాలి. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ఇఫ్ యు ట్రావెల్ వితౌట్ ఏ టికెట్. నెక్స్ట్ కాషన్. కాషన్ అంటే హెచ్చరిక. ఇక్కడ మనం చూడొచ్చు ఒక వ్యక్తి ఏదో గుంజబోతున్నాడు. సో అట్లా గుంజుకొని పారిపోవాలని ఏమంటాం మనం? బివేర్ ఆఫ్ చైన్ స్నాచర్స్. సో దిస్ ఫెలో ఈజ్ ఎ చైన్ స్నాచర్. అక్కడ ఒకటే మహిళ ఒంటరిగా ఉంది, మెడలో గొలుసు ఉంది, వాడు వచ్చేసి గుంజుకొని వెళ్ళిపోతాడు. ఆ గుంజుకొని పోయే దొంగల్ని ఏమంటాం? చైన్ స్నాచర్స్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఈజ్ ఎవరి వస్తువులకు వారే బాధ్యులు. సో అనౌన్స్మెంట్స్ అయితే ఉంటాయి. ఎవరిని నమ్మకండి, ఇతరులను నమ్మి మీ వస్తువులను వాళ్ళకి ఇచ్చిపోకండి. వాళ్ళు మంచి వాళ్ళు కావచ్చు, మంచి వాళ్ళు కాకపోవచ్చు. సో passengers are responsible for their belongings. So you will listen to these kind of announcements in the station. ప్రకటన చేస్తూ ఉంటారు, జాగ్రత్త ట్రైన్లో దొంగలు ఉన్నారు, నగలు దోచుకునే వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు, లాక్కునే వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు, అదే కాకుండా మీ వస్తువులకు మీరే బాధ్యులు. సో దీస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్స్, దట్ ఈస్ బివేర్, చైన్ స్నాచర్స్, బిలాంగింగ్స్, ప్యాసింజర్స్. దీస్ ఆర్ సమ్ అదర్ వర్డ్స్. నెక్స్ట్ ఈజ్ here you find two platforms and two different kinds of trains. Passengers are entering fast. So ఈ ట్రైన్స్ ఏంటి, త్వరగా వెళ్ళిపోతూ ఉంటాయి. కాబట్టి ప్యాసింజర్స్ సోది పెట్టకుండా కూర్చోవద్దు. దే హ్యావ్ టు బి ఫాస్ట్, దే హ్యావ్ టు బి యాక్టివ్, దే హ్యావ్ టు బి క్విక్. సో మూవ్ ఫాస్ట్. వీ హ్యావ్ టు క్యాచ్ ద ట్రైన్ ఎట్ ఎనీ కాస్ట్. సో ప్లాట్ఫామ్ మీదకి వెళ్ళి ఫాస్ట్గా వస్తూ ఉంటాం. ఎందుకు? ట్రైన్ ఎట్లన్నా చేసి ఎక్కాలి. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు క్యాచ్ ద ట్రైన్. హౌ? ఎట్ ఎనీ కాస్ట్. ఏవైనా పర్లేదు, ట్రైన్ మాత్రం ఎక్కాలి. He's trying to get on the train. ఇతను ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు? ట్రైన్ లో ఎక్కే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తున్నాడు. Because there is some number of passengers are there inside. He's pushing them. He wants to. Next is catch him. Catch him means he might have done something wrong. ఎవరో బ్యాగ్ కొట్టేశాడు, పర్సు కొట్టేశాడు, వన్ పట్టుకో, catch him. So these are the words. Next is he tried to get off the train unnoticed. సో ఇక్కడ ఒక వ్యక్తిని చూస్తున్నాం మనం. ట్రైన్ దిగేశాడు. ఎట్లా దిగాడు? ఎవరు గమనించకుండా దిగాడు. బికాస్ హీ అపియర్స్ టు బి అన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పర్సన్. హీ డజంట్ వాంట్ టు డిస్టర్బ్ ది పబ్లిక్. హీ డజంట్ వాంట్ టు డిస్టర్బ్ ద ప్యాసింజర్స్. He doesn't want somebody to follow him. Therefore, he tried to get off the train unnoticed. So what are the words we are using here? Get off the train. Get off the train అంటే ట్రైన్ లో నుంచి దిగడం. Unnoticed అంటే ఏంటి? ఎవరి కంటో పడకుండా, ఎవరు మించకుండా, ఎవరు గుర్తుపట్టకుండా. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ రీచ్ ద స్టేషన్ వెల్ ఇన్ టైమ్ టు నాట్ మిస్ ద ట్రైన్. మనము ట్రైన్ లో ప్రయాణం చేయాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? ట్రైన్ యొక్క వచ్చే టైం కన్నా, అరైవల్ టైం కన్నా ఒక 20 నిమిషాలు ముందే ఉండాలి, ఒక 10 నిమిషాలు ముందే ఉండాలి. టు అవాయిడ్ లాస్ట్ మినిట్ కన్ఫ్యూజన్, to avoid a last minute rush. So reach the station well in time to not miss train. So if you go to the station on time, what is the benefit? What is the advantage? You will not miss the train. But if you reach the station at the last moment, there are chances of missing the train because you may not reach the platform. There will be heavy rush. Something may happen to you. You may not walk fast. Therefore, you may miss the train. To avoid such kind of problems, passengers are supposed to reach the station well in time on advance. So these are the words. which we generally use whenever we go to a station. And these words are related to what? Railway station. The terms or the vocabulary which passengers will be using in the railway station or in and around the railway station. And if you know these words, so you can have a very safe journey or a comfortable journey. But if you do not know the words, you have to depend on somebody. And that somebody may be reliable or sometimes misleading. ఎవరో ఒకరి పైన ఆధారపడాలి. వాళ్ళు మరి మంచోళ్ళు కావచ్చు లేదా వాళ్ళు కొన్నిసార్లు నేను తప్పుద్రో పట్టియచ్చు. ఇవన్నీ సమస్యలు ఉండొద్దంటే ఏం చేయాలి మనం? రైల్వే స్టేషన్ కు సంబంధించిన పదజాలాన్ని నేర్చుకోవాలి, తెలుసుకోవాలి. తెలుసుకోవడం అంటే పెద్ద గొప్ప విషయం కాదు. You can go to the station 1 or 2 times. There you, if you wait for some time, if you some time, you will be knowing all these things. Or sometimes you can read a book. You can open the internet and you can find the words related to railway station. You can learn from that also. But practical learning will be very useful. So students who did not go to railway station till now, so I advise them to visit these places at least once to know how these places are, to know uh, what kind of language the people will be using there, what kind of words are related to these words, words related to railway station, hospital, college, police station, bank. So these places generally we visit. And if you do not know the vocabulary of these places, then we land into trouble. Then it becomes difficult for us to understand the situation and the place. So with these few things, I think today I will stop here. So in the next class, we will go to another place and we will try to learn some more vocabulary. So for today, bye.